Seeing random colors or color distortion on your computer or laptop screen can be due to a range of issues: hardware, software, or driver-related. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you identify and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Check for physical damage or loose connections. Inspect the screen. Look for cracks or pressure marks. Slight physical damage can cause pixel or color issues. Check cable connections for desktops or external monitors. Unplug and replug the monitor cable, HDMI, VGA, DisplayPort, etc. Try a different cable to rule out a faulty one. Try a different monitor or laptop. If you're on a desktop, connect a different monitor. If using a laptop with external display support, connect to an external screen. If the external screen is fine, your laptop screen might be damaged. Step 2. Test in safe mode. Boot into safe mode to see if the problem persists. Super Step 2. Test in safe mode on screen text. Display the super on screen. Windows, press Win+R, type misconfig, press Enter. Under the Boot tab, check Safe Boot, then restart. Observe the screen in safe mode. If colors are normal here, it's likely a driver or software issue. Makash, shut down the Mac, power it on, and hold the Shift key immediately until you see the login screen. If the issue doesn't appear in safe mode, it's software related. Step 3. Update or reinstall graphics drivers. Corrupted or outdated GPU drivers often cause display problems. On Windows, press Win+X, Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card, Update Driver. If no update helps, right-click again, uninstall device, restart the computer. Windows will reinstall it. Alternatively, download the latest driver from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. On macOS, the system manages GPU drivers through system updates. Just go to System Settings, then General, and finally Software Update. Step 4 is to check color calibration and display settings. Sometimes, improper settings can cause strange colors. On Windows, go to Settings, System, Display. Scroll to Advanced Display Settings and check the refresh rate and resolution. Search for color calibration in the Start menu and follow the on-screen guide. On macOS, go to System Settings, Displays. Check Color Profile under the Display options. Try switching to a different color profile. Step 5. Check for malware or software conflicts. Some malware or broken software can cause display corruption. Run a full scan using Windows Defender Malwarebytes, free version available. Uninstall recently added software or extensions if issues started after installation. Step 6. BIOS UEFI check. If colors are distorted even before the OS loads, it might be a hardware issue. Restart your PC and enter BIOS UEFI, usually by pressing F2, Del, or SE. If the display is still distorted here, the issue is likely hardware-related, GPU, screen, or cable. Step 7. Hardware troubleshooting, advanced. If you've tried all above and still see issues, laptop, your screen ribbon cable, LVDs, or EDP might be loose or damaged. Consider having a technician open the laptop to check connections or replace the screen. Desktop, remove and reseat the graphics card. Test with a different GPU if possible. Try different RAM, rare but possible cause. Final tip: when to seek professional help. Display is always distorted even during boot or BIOS. physical screen damage is evident. You've tried all the above steps without success. In these cases, it's best to visit a certified repair technician.